Hey, how's it going? So, this is to the homeowners out there that have been lucky enough to have been in this market for the past 3 or 4 years and really gained some equity in their homes. Craig Sutliff with the Greenhouse Group. Now, a lot of you homeowners spent a lot of your money for that down payment, and you just couldn't afford to do all the renovations and home improvements that you really wanted to do. But now you're sitting on a chunk of equity, and you might be a little perplexed as to how to best access that equity and do some of those renovations and improvements to your house. So a couple options are refinance that first mortgage. And you guys are probably sitting on some really incredibly low interest rates on those first mortgages. So a lot of you don't want to touch that. Well, we have equity loan and equity line options that are becoming more and more abundant right now. So all these banks are just coming out, flooding the market. But which one is the best one to choose? They will typically have a higher interest rate when you're taking a second mortgage. And depending on the dollar amount of that, how much you need to do those renovations, does it make more sense to do a cash out refinance of that first mortgage? Well, in order to figure that out, you got to have an idea of what the interest rates are for a second mortgage or an equity line of credit, and then calculate what a blended average of your first mortgage rate and whatever that second mortgage rate is going to be. Now, it's a little trickier with the home equity line because that is a variable interest rate. It's going to be based typically on the Wall Street prime rate. And we have a new Fed chief that's going to be taking over here real soon. He's purported to be very hawkish, which means he is interested in trying to, quote unquote, normalize interest rates and get those interest rates back up. If you're interested in getting that calculator, go ahead and shoot me an email down below, and I'm happy to send that out to you so you can do that calculation on your own. If you want a full in-depth analysis of all your options, give me a call or shoot me an email. We'll set up a time where we can go over everything. Either you can come on into my office, we can do it over the phone, but we can analyze every single option, figure out which is the best for you, and then go from there. So I'm happy to help you out and figure out these things. It's what I do. So looking forward to hearing from you. Till then, take care and make it a great day.